It's your girl Sharae and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Hey y'all. So I just got this box. Let's see. This one is main nutrients. And I got all this. Alright y'all. So this is all what I got. I got a bundle. So this is what it came with. So got a shampoo. And then we have conditioner. And then we have this moisturizing cream. And we have this custard. And then we have this big old thing of oil. Yeah. It came in this bag. I'm gonna keep this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm gonna keep it. Alright, so yeah. I'm about to use these. I'm about to wash my hair. I really like this gold right here. Like that. I might do like a deep condition with this stuff. This stuff seems like it's really good. Alright y'all, I'm about to wash it. I just comb it out because that thing tangle up, so I comb it out. So I'm back. So just wash it, and this stuff, it smells so good. It smells like fruit. I don't know, but it smells really good. And the conditioner smells the same. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna use the moisturizing cream. Ooh, you can't see it. Yeah, I'll use this one. Let's see what this one smells like. It smells fruity, but like it don't smell as much as this one. But it's still fruity though. So I'm just gonna put it on. I like the smoothness. I like it. I just put it on. So it's nighttime. Y'all will not get dry results. Y'all gonna have to wait till the morning. I'm gonna just put it on again in the morning. Show you. Probably should have just did that first, but oh well. 32. But yeah, hold up. Day 2. Ooh. For this, the custard, it say use it after the other thing, the moisturizer. So I'm gonna do that. This smell good too. It smells different, but to me it smells like vanilla and bananas. I don't know, but it smells good. They say you can use it after.
Go to school. Smells so good. So good. It's not too good. That's too good right there. That's too good right there. Smells so good. I give this, honestly, this product is like, this bundle, it's giving like, it's giving bad. It's giving bad. I know that's one. The video thing. I really like this stuff. I really do. I really do like it. Oh, I need to do like beans and stuff. To bring the beans back. Well, easily like from the milk, I just brought it down, so it can be short. But yeah, good figure that, because I was doing that a few years ago.
Now we curling and bouncing. So we're gonna see what it looks like later today after it's dry and stuff.
This smells good too. Everything smells so good.
Oh my goodness. The wind be blowing today like yesterday. Everybody gonna smell this. They smell too good.